Hey gang, Jesse here at AC Auto Repair. Got some thoughts on car washes and like how often do you wash your vehicle? Here I have a little Toyota Tacoma pickup. It's got some dust on it from one of the recent windstorms that we had. It definitely needs washed. So this particular car wash is actually an automatic car wash, the kind that actually comes through. It has the brushes and the different cloths and stuff that actually beat up against the hood and stuff to wipe the dirt off. I use this car wash from time to time. What's really more important is you get it clean, you get all the soap off, get it rinsed off good, and then use a wax or sealant, which they offer in this one, so that your vehicle is protected against the UV rays of the sun, keeps your vehicle from fading as much, repels the dirt, so on and so forth. So one of the disadvantages of taking a vehicle like this to it though is sometimes those brushes and stuff are a little rough on like the antenna, the external antenna on the vehicle. So just something to be aware of. We have a different car wash across town that's actually a touchless one. It just goes around the vehicle and sprays the vehicle, and it actually doesn't ever touch the vehicle. That's actually my preferred option on a touchless car wash, but there's pros and cons to each one of them. At the end, this one actually blow dries you. That way you don't have to wipe the vehicle off and save you from the water spots. So a couple thoughts. So what's in your experience, what do you like to use on your car? Which kind of sealers do you like to use on your paint to protect the paint? My opinion, the safest car wash is actually a hand wash. You don't have to worry about anything getting scratched or damaged with your hand wash. Is it feasible to be able to do that on every car wash? Sometimes it's not in my life. Sometimes it is. Want to hear your thoughts, hear your opinions. What do you think about car washes? And I'll see you in the next video.